Hamburg, Germany, January 9, 2026.
Marak. Tupu-tipi le.
Geht zu Fuß nach Hause.
Numerous chaos, closed schools, delayed trains, and bad news for Bundesliga fans, where Storm Ellie is hitting large parts of Germany with heavy snow and wind. On Saturday, the winter storm will move to southern Germany. The German Weather Service, DWD, is warning of severe weather and snowfall. In fact, Hamburg Airport was also affected by heavy snow and strong winds, with several aircraft experiencing difficulty taking off due to obstructed visibility and extreme weather.
Schwere Geschütze auffahren hier.
Several weather-related traffic chaos have occurred on the A7 motorway in Lower Saxony. A police spokesperson said the section between Bockenem, Hildesheim district, and Seesen, Goslar district, is completely closed for recovery operations. According to police, road chaos occurred at the same location near Seesen in the late afternoon. Police advised drivers to avoid the A7 in the affected sections and to use the B243 Federal Highway as a detour, which was, however, heavily congested.
Guten Morgen, Chef. Chef, du bist beste Chef. Aber heute ich kann nicht zur Arbeit kommen, weil da ist diese weiße.
The German Weather Service, DWD, continues to warn of snowfall in its latest report. However, the focus of the storm is shifting southward. Snow is expected to fall again in lower elevations in the south during the day. The DWD anticipates severe weather in the Black Forest. In the north, there is a risk of snowdrifts, and in some mountainous areas and along the coasts, there is a risk of gale-force winds. In the Black Forest and the Upper Allgäu region, the German Weather Service, DWD, is forecasting periods of heavy snowfall with accumulations of 10 to 20 centimeters. In the rest of the country, 1 to 5 centimeters of snow are expected, with up to 10 centimeters possible in the mountains. Apart from the coastal areas, Germany will remain under continuous frost with highs between -7 and 0 degrees Celsius. Overnight into Sunday, temperatures could drop below -15 degrees Celsius in some areas, according to the Weather Service.
So was habe ich noch nie gesehen. Hier liegt über 1 Meter Schnee. Hamburg geht komplett unter.
Deutsche Bahn plans to gradually resume long-distance train services in northern Germany, which were suspended due to severe weather, starting at 10 a.m. However, the company stated that further disruptions and train cancellations are to be expected nationwide. Snowdrifts in particular have recently caused significant problems. Habe Kerkeling was unable to land in Hamburg due to the winter weather to appear on the NDR talk show with Barbara Schoenberger and Bettina Tejan.
Notamment sur les hauts pays et Blogy, donc un demi-centimètre. La température est passée sous 0 degré.
So, nach dem Sturm können wir jetzt mal ein paar Meter laufen. Okay.
Langsam?
Ja.
Okay.
Und los.
Amid the snow chaos at Hanover Central Station, no one has to freeze. Stranded passengers can wait in a so-called waiting train parked at the station. Deutsche Bahn also states that it has set up similar services at other stations. Storm Ellie is expected to gradually dissipate over the weekend. In the north and east, apart from isolated snow showers, calm weather will return, says DWD meteorologist David Menzel. Snow will then fall in the south, particularly in the windward slopes of the low mountain ranges and in the Allgäu region. Heavy snowfall is expected, with more than 30 centimeters of fresh snow possible.
So Leute, hier ein kleines Update vom Weltuntergang in Hamburg. Guckt euch das an. Hier tatsächlich jemand sein Bier weggekippt. So
Even at lower elevations, accumulations of up to 10 centimeters are possible. Above freezing temperatures will only be recorded south of the main river on Saturday, but even there, temperatures will drop below freezing during the day. It will be bitterly cold at night. Where there is snow, the German Weather Service, DWD, expects temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius. On Sunday, the Weather Service anticipates a picture-perfect winter day. Due to severe winter weather, bus services in the city and region of Hanover have been completely suspended since 7 p.m. Following incidents involving buses that became stuck and slid off the road, passenger safety could no longer be guaranteed, the responsible transport company Ustra announced. With strong westerly winds and snowfall, the avalanche danger in the Bavarian mountains has increased. Above the tree line, the danger is now considerable, below it moderate. The problem at all altitudes is the wind-drifted snow, according to the Bavarian Avalanche Warning Service.
Ja.
Danger zones are located in the transition area between forest and open terrain, in forest clearings and glades. Due to the strong winds, the accumulations of wind-drifted snow are continuing to grow. These snow accumulations are highly unstable. According to the forecast, the avalanche situation will remain critical for the next few days.
Selber arbeiten. Ist deine Firma, deswegen bei mir erst anrufen, wenn diese weiße Wind weg ist.